Selena, Class 10, Chapter 20, Cylinder, Cone and Sphere, Surface Area and Volume. Sum number 11. The horizontal cross section of a water tank is in the shape of a rectangular with semicircle at one end as shown in the figure. Water is 2.4 meter deep in the tank. Calculate the volume of water in the tank in gallons. Given 1 gallon equal to 4.5 liters. Length 21 meter. Depth of the water 2.4 meter. Breadth 7 meter. Therefore, radius of semicircle 7 upon 2 meter. Area of cross section is equals to area of rectangle plus area of semicircle. Area of rectangle length into breadth plus area of semicircle half pi r square. Substitute the value 21 into 7 plus half into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 upon 2 equal to 147 plus 77 upon 4 equal to 588 plus 77 upon 4 equal to 665 by 4 meter square. Volume of water filled in gallon is equals to 665 upon 4 into the depth is 2.4 meters, so therefore it will be meter cube equal to 665 into 0.6 equal to 399 meter cube. Convert into centimeter cube into 100 cubes. So equal to 399 into 100 cube centimeter cube. To convert into liters, divide by 1000. Therefore, 399 into 100 into 100 into 100 upon 1000. To convert into gallon, divide by 4.5. 399 into 100 into 100 into 100 upon 1000 into 4.5. Okay, 4.5 is 45 upon 10, which is equals to 13 lakh 30,000 upon 15 gallons equal to 2 lakh 66,000 upon 3, which is equal to 88,666.67 gallons. Sum number 12. The given figure shows the cross section of a water channel consisting of a rectangle and a semicircle. Assuming that the channel is always full, find the volume of the water discharge through it in 1 minute. If water is flowing at the rate of 20 centimeter per second, give your answer in cubic meters correct to one place of decimal. Length equal to 21 centimeter, breadth equal to 7 centimeter. Radius of the circle equal to 21 upon 2 centimeter. Area of cross section of water of the channel is area of rectangle plus area of semicircle equal to length into breadth plus half pi r square. Substitute the value 21 into 7 plus half into 22 by 7 into 21 by 2 into 21 by 2 equal to 147 plus 693 upon 4 equal to 588 plus 693 upon 4 equal to 1281 upon 4 centimeter square. Area of cross section of the water is equal to 1281 upon 4 centimeters square. Flow of water in 1 minute we want. At the rate, what is the rate of the water flowing? 20 centimeter per second. So for in 1 minute it will be 20 into 60 equal to 1200 centimeter. So length of water column equal to 1200 centimeter. Volume, length into area of cross section. So area of cross section is 1281 upon 4 into 1200 equal to 3,84,300 centimeter cube. We want answer in meter cube. Therefore, divide by 100 into 100 upon into 100, which is equals to 0.3843 meter cube. Answer till one decimal point. So is equal to volume of water is equals to 0.4 meter cube. Sum number 13. An open cylindrical vessel of internal diameter 7 meter and height 8 meter stands on a horizontal table. Inside this is placed a solid metallic right circular cone, the diameter of whose base is 3.5 centimeter and height 8 centimeter. Find the volume of water required to fill the vessel if this cone is replaced by another cone whose height is 1/3 centimeter and radius of whose base is 2 centimeter. Find the drop of the water level. Diameter of the base of the cylinder 7 centimeter, therefore radius will be 7/2 centimeter. Volume of cylinder pi r square h equal to 22/7 into 7/2 into 7/2 into 8. Volume of cylinder is equals to 308 centimeter cube. Diameter of the base of the cone 7/2 centimeter. Therefore radius of cone 7/4 centimeter. Volume of cone 1/3 pi r square h equal to 1/3 into 22/7 into 7/4 into 7/4 into 8 equal to 77/3 centimeter cube. On placing the cone into the cylindrical vessel, the volume of the remaining portion where the water is filled is volume of cylinder minus volume of cone equal to 308 minus 77/3 equal to 924 minus 77/3 equal to 847/3 equal to 282.33 centimeter cube. Height of new cone 134 equal to 7/4 centimeter. Radius equal to 2 centimeter. Volume of new cone equal to 1/3 pi r square h equal to 1/3 into 22/7 into 2 into 2 into 7/4 equal to 22/3 centimeter cube. Volume of water which comes down is volume of original cone minus volume of new cone equal to 77/3 minus 22/3 equal to 55/3 centimeter cube. Let that be equation 1. Let h be the height of water which is dropped down. Radius 7.2 centimeter. Therefore volume pi r square h equal to 22/7 into 7/2 into 7/2 into h equal to 77/2 h. Let that be equation 2. Both the volumes will be same. Therefore 77/2 h equal to 55/3. Therefore h is equals to 55/3 into 2 upon 77. H is equals to 10/21 centimeter. Drop of water level equal to 10/21 centimeter. Sum number 14. A cylindrical can whose base is horizontal and of radius 3.5 centimeter contains sufficient water so that when a spear is placed in the can, the water just covers the spear. Given that the spear just fit into the can, calculate first part the total surface area of the can in contact with water when the spear is in it. Second part, the depth of water in the can before the spear was put in the can. Radius of the base of the cylindrical can is 3.5 centimeter. First part, when the spear is in can, then total surface area of the can base area plus curved surface area. Base area pi r square plus 2 pi r h equal to 22/7 into 3.5 into 3.5 plus 2 into 22/7 plus into 3.5 into 7 equal to 77/2 into 154. 38.5 plus 154 is equal to 192.5 centimeter square. Second part, let the depth of water equal to x centimeter. When sphere is not in can, the volume of can equal to volume of water plus volume of sphere. Okay, so volume pi r square h is equals to pi r square x plus 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, here pi r square is common, so pi r square into x plus 4 by 3 r. Therefore, h is equals to x plus 4 by 3 r. X equal to h minus 4 by 3 r. Substitute the value 7 minus 4 by 3 into 7 upon 2 equal to 7 minus 14 upon 3 equal to 21 minus 14 upon 3 equal to 7 by 3. X equal to 1 by 3 centimeter. Sum number 15. A hollow cylinder has solid hemisphere inward one end, and on the other end it is closed with a flat circular plate. The height of the water is 10 centimeter when flat circular surface is downward. Find the level of water when it is inverted upside down. Common diameter is 7 centimeter and height of the cylinder is 20 centimeter. Let the height of the water level be h after the solid is turned upside down. Volume of water in cylinder is equals to pi into 7 by 2 the whole square into 10. Volume of hemispheric sphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube, 7 by 2 the whole cube. Volume of water in the cylinder is equals to volume of water level minus volume of the hemisphere equal to pi 7 by 2 square into 10 equal to pi into 7 by 2 the whole square into h minus 2 by 3 pi into 7 by 2 whole cube. 10 is equals to h minus 7 by 3. H is equals to 10 plus 7 by 3. H is equals to, this will be 37 by 3, that is 12 1 by 3.